Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Uzma Aiman binti Zainuri and I'm from the Faculty of Information Management class IM 1104A. And now we will be presenting about our group project which is OS installation for the subject of IMD 222. Our group consists of 6 members which
My
is
name is Nur Umi Nadirah binti Rosman.
My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Ihsan.
My name is Nur
Hi,
Uzma.
my name is Alia Ratisha binti Muhammad Asari.
My name is Na'ana Sofia binti Amir.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siza Maisara binti Saidi.
My name is Nur Umi Nadirah binti Rosman. I will explain part 1, which is the preparations of installation disk. As you can see, we use pen drive, which is Kingston, that has 32 GB storage to insert the installation disk. First of all, click the download file, then select Ubuntu file and move it to Kingston file. After that, click the yes button as a sign of agreeing the transfer process. Then we have to wait for a while until the transfer process done.
My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Ihsan, and I'll be presenting about part 2, which is installation of virtual machine. Thank you. Okay, next is on how to install the virtual machine. Firstly, you have to go to the Google and search for virtualbox.org and select the first choice which is Windows Host, and it will be installed into your Windows.
My name is Nur Uzma and now I will be explaining about the step of part 3, which is the installation of the operating system. So first step is you need to go to the Google search and search for Ubuntu installation. And then you click on the very first top result. Then you brought into this type of website called Ubuntu. Then you click on Ubuntu and then it brought you into this specific website. And then you click on the download and then click on the Ubuntu for desktop. And then you can wait for it to be downloaded. So after it's done downloading, you can click on the folder and then you can start install the OS.
Hi, my name is Alia Ratisha binti Muhammad Asari and I will explain for the step 4, which is mechanical for Ubuntu. Okay, first of all, we are going to click on the virtual machine, which is VirtualBox. For the Ubuntu that we install is Ubuntu version 40.02 latest version. Click on the new button and then type the name of the file that you want to create and then click on the next button. For the memory size, you can adjust it a bit and click create and then next button again. For the file location and size, you can adjust it a bit based on the amount of the file data. Then click on the start button. After you click on the start button, it will look like this. Okay, click on the next button. This is how it will look like. Okay, then it will load like this. And then after the load, it will pop up like this. Then select on the install Ubuntu. Then choose your keyboard layout and click on this install third party. Just let it be like that, and then click on the continue. So this is the map that will tell you whereabouts. Okay, so for this part, this is where the part you need to create your account. Just fill in the blanks and make sure that your password is strong enough. And then it will pop up like this. After create the account, click on the continue button. And click on the restart now. So this is going to pop up. After that, this is the account that we have created. Just fill in the blanks. This is what it's gonna looks like. Just click on the next button. This is the main desktop of the Ubuntu.
Okay, next is on how to set your item logo as wallpaper. Firstly, you have to go to Firefox on desktop and open it and search for UITM logo wallpaper. Wait until it loads. And then go to images and set save image as, and save the image, and go to files and then open downloads and set as wallpaper, and that is your wallpaper on desktop. Thank you.
My name is Nur Ana Sofia binti Abdul Karim, and I will explain step 1, which is how to share a folder in Ubuntu. First of all, you have to open Ubuntu, and then you have to click setting, and then you have to click share folder, and then you have to click add share, and then click folder point, choose other, and go any file you want to share, and then select folder, and then you have to click read only, auto mount, and you have to click OK, and then OK, and then you have to click start. Wait a few seconds. You have to click another location to access the file that we share from Windows to Ubuntu. Okay, then this is the file that you shared before. To access the file, you need to find the password first. Select the file. So this is how it will look like. For step 6, I will explain about how to add or install another software in Ubuntu. First of all, you have to click Ubuntu and then you go to Mozilla Form, and then you have to search any apps or you want, which is for example, I will search Telegram for desktop and then click Telegram for desktop. Click Get Telegram for Linux x64. Just wait a few minutes and click Save File and then OK. The Telegram is already set up in your Ubuntu. You have to click folder Telegram in file download. This is how it looks like. So your Telegram desktop is already have in Ubuntu apps. Next is I will explain for step 7, which is we want to update Ubuntu package. First of all, you have to go the Ubuntu apps and then you have to click show application and then you have to click software. Just wait a few minutes. Software update will be updated. And then you have to click OK. So this is how it looks like. Ubuntu will already update.
In conclusion, having the knowledge of the OS installation to the device is part of the basic computer lesson for everyone to manage the PC well. Based on this assessment, we can learn about the preparation of installation disk, installation of virtual machine, installation of the operating system, and setting up the operating system. This task helps to improve and enhance our knowledge about the installation and the usage of operating system and virtual machine. Based on the process, users need to have enough space of storage to make sure the operating system can function properly. This basic concept teach us to always be careful and aware of the type of operation system in a virtual machine that is safe to use.